Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video we are going to be learning how you can save your project in CapCut. Now CapCut have this feature to automatically save your project once you go back to its homepage. So let's say if I go to a new project, maybe you'll be able to see that it is saying that current project will automatically be saved. So when you click on OK, you can see our new project is created. But now if I open CapCut again, here you can see I have two projects, this one that I created new and this is my project that I was working on, and when I click on that you can see it was saved automatically. So even if you close CapCut, it will save your projects automatically, so you do not need to do any hassle. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.